Hey, who are you? And how did you enter in our house without asking?
I actually.
What actually? Tell me who the hell are you and how did you enter our house without asking?
Tell us now. Who are you? And how did you come inside? Uh, Sister, he's my boyfriend.
If he's your boyfriend, then how did he enter in our house without ringing the bell?
I apologize on his behalf. Gate was open, so he probably came inside. How did he enter without asking? And what sorry? Who gave him the permission to enter the house? And you are the maid of this house. Don't try to be the mistress. And why are you clinching to him so much? Let go of his hand.
Hey, it's okay. If he's here, then it's okay. He's her boyfriend anyway.
Hey, if he's her boyfriend, so he can't enter the house without asking the permission. Send him away.
Hey, she must have some work to do and she needs to talk to him. That's why she must have called him.
If they want to talk, they can go outside and talk. No? This is not a park. It's our home. They can't talk at our home.
Swara, you take him to your room and talk whatever you want to, okay?
Okay, let's go. Sanju, how can you allow him like this to go inside?
Why are you getting so worried, man? Swara has been working in our house for so many years. And if he's her boyfriend, then he must be a trustworthy person.
You trust anybody like this only. I'm not feeling good about this guy. If he will do some theft then?
Why do you think so negatively, man? Huh? Swara must have called her boyfriend for a talk and he'll leave after talking a little bit.
Look, I'm not going to take any risk. There are so many valuables in the home, yaar. If something gets stolen then?
He has gone in the Swara's room and we do not have any belongings in her room, no? So what will he steal?
You won't understand, you sit here. I'll go and see what's going on and send him out of the home as quickly as possible.
Do whatever you want to do, just go.
You saw? I saved you today. Leave his hand. Why are you clinching to him? Sister, I did all this just to save him. Yeah. So what was the need to clinch so much? I was clinching to him so that Sir will think that he's my boyfriend. Yeah, fine. No need to clinch anymore.
Man, Ria, you were going to trap us today. You should have told us that your husband was at home.
He just suddenly arrived, yaar. I was about to call you. Meanwhile, you came there.
Man, you know that I don't feel good without you. Thanks to Swara that she saved us today. Otherwise, we would have been caught today.
Why will I thank her? You were also clinching to her. If from now you will see any other girl now with your eyes, then I'll pull your eyes out.
But you can have an affair with any other man.
Sanju, I was just saying, Dushyant, that if you will see anybody else except Swara, then I'll pull your eyes out.
Oh, Dushyant. You also know his name. Any other lie?
Actually, Swara told me that name, na? And what to lie in this? I was just saying that send him as soon as possible. These things won't work at our home.
Yes. You said it absolutely right. All this will not be tolerated in my house. And I had heard everything about who is whose boyfriend and who is not. He actually came to meet you. But today I came home before time without informing you. So you must have forgotten to tell him. And to save you, she made him her boyfriend. And I understand that why you were having so much problem when Swara was holding his hand. Because you were getting jealous. And no, brother, I am her boyfriend only. First of all, you get out of here. And you. I've given you place to live and eat. And you're supporting her. You also betrayed me with her.
Sir, actually, she's also a woman. I'm also a woman. That's why I was supporting her.
One woman supported another woman. It's okay. I'll see you. You have 10 minutes to pack all your stuff and get out of this house.
Sanju, I made a mistake. Please forgive me. Just, I need one chance. I will never do this again.
I've already told you. You and you too. Both of you should get out of this house right now. Just get out.
So, sister, where do we have to go? Where do we have to go means? Hey, I will come with you, na? Wherever you will go, I'll come with you. I don't even know here anybody. Why you will come with me? See yours by yourself. Sister, what are you saying this? I just supported you. Now I supported you. You also have to support me. I didn't tell you to support me. My cab is here, I'm leaving.